is better than the Philippines. Let's dive in. It's refreshing. Definitely very nice sunset here. Great on Boracay. Welcome to another beautiful morning here in Paradise in Boracay. Walking along the beach. We're gonna go for some diving here. Gonna find the PADI dive center. Just had a small breakfast. So let's see if we can find those people. So I think we found the PADI dive center background. Later we're also gonna do an island tour, but first we're gonna explore the ocean. So we just had the introduction here. Got my diving suit with the weight here, 6 kilos. Gonna go out and practice a bit. There's actually a Swedish flag in the background. Very interesting. Maybe that's a sign. Let's jump in the water. So now we've had an instruction. We got the fins here. We're gonna drive in. Went very smoothly. And now let's go into the real ocean. It's gonna be very nice. Actually, really good experience. Maybe I will do more of this later. But now let's jump in. Here is our equipment. Let's carry it down to the beach. Yes, we have a ride here. Let's go out on the ocean. Okay, so we are on the way. Amazing to be outside here. Wow, that was nice. A lot of good pictures. Definitely recommend to try that. Back on that, definitely pretty unique experience. As mentioned, highly recommended. Now we're gonna try this break and the finish back here. And the next step we actually have the land tour. But definitely quick bite in between, so gonna walk here, see a bit later. Was it exciting? Yay! Very exciting. But now we have some more excitement jumping into the water here. Let's jump. Definitely very blue or turquoise perhaps. Jumping. Ooh, nice. After the morning dive, we relax a little bit here and then take something and go and explore the land. After the diving, it's time to get some lunch here. Some nice beef and vegetables and also a poke bowl, so let's energize before we can explore. Okay, after that very nourishing lunch, it's time to jump on the tuk-tuk here, go for a little tour. Let's go. So after a very short ride, we arrived at the first stop here, the mangrove. We're gonna go to like 4 or 5 different places. Start by exploring here, then see what we can find. Very short but first brief stop here at the mangrove. We'll continue now, see what's up next. Not super special but still fun to see. So after some driving, we've arrived to this Boracay I. It's a very nice beach. Gonna walk around here a little bit, like 30 minutes perhaps. Take some photos and chill a bit and then continue the adventure. Yeah, apparently there's some monkeys up there, pretty far away, hard to see. Now we're gonna walk along the water here, more walking. See the keyhole for me. Pretty sunny here, but very nice, just exploring a bit. Okay, so I guess we found the formation here in the background. Big rock. Interesting, but not super spectacular. Let's continue walking. Time for the next stop here. First, a bit of a fruit stop here. Yeah, I get some energy. Very tropical environment here out on the small roads. Let's go down to the beach. Get some fresh pineapple here. Okay, after some walking here, we get to the Beach.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Exactly, fantastic. Welcome to Boracay and the beach. Let's check it out. Definitely very tropical here. Enjoy some nice fruits. Enjoying the beach, the natural beauty here. Relaxing, a lot of cool stuff here along the place. You can paddle and explore a lot of activities here. So we arrived at the final beach stop here. The sun is setting in a while. Pretty crazy, beautiful beach here. Yeah, as you can see here in the background, people are playing volleyball, enjoying. Just gonna chill a bit, watch the sunset here, I think, and then get back and probably eat something. Just gonna explore a little bit here. So see you when we are back later after riding all the way into this beautiful nature. Okay, so after a lot of driving, coming back from the beach, the sun has set and it's time to get to the river. I'm picking a lot of good stuff in the background here. We have some shrimp and fish and squid. It's time to get it grilled and sit and eat. Seems like we've got some live music here as well. Loud and cozy. Now we got the food here and there is definitely a feast. We got the squid and the shrimp and the fish. Looking amazing. Try it again. So after that pretty massive meal with a lot of seafood, fish and shrimp and squid and salad, it's time to head back. We have an early start tomorrow with island hopping and also sunset sailing. So I think I'm gonna leave you guys here. It's been a long day diving and exploring. So if you want to see more of what's going on, leave me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.